In this lesson, I'm gonna talk about matrices. So 11th grade matrices. So matrices is anywhere. So you can see addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, multiplication, and so on. So matrices is everywhere. So I'm gonna be doing addition. So you might be given A equal to numbers that you can see it has a column and row. This is row and this is column. Matrices. So A is equal to these numbers, B is equal to these numbers. So B also has a column and row numbers. So you need to add A and B. This is addition. So you might gonna see subtraction, multiplication, and so on. Basically, yeah, the way you do the addition is similar. So if you're dividing is division, if you multiplying is you multiplying, subtraction, but you go to similar way. So now A matrices numbers, we have -1 here. So -1 plus right there and 3 here of B, right? So -1 plus 3 is 2. So we'll do this column. 2 plus 1 is 3. And what else we have here? 3 plus 2 is 5. This is how you do when it comes to matrices, right? So now we have 2 here, and then the second column, -1. So if you have 2 plus -1, what you're gonna get? You get 1, right? And then -3 here, -3, and then plus, and then 0. What are you gonna get? -3. So that way, 1 plus -1, you get 0, right? One column at a time. One column at a time. Now 5 plus 2. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to go here. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? Because this is the answer. This is the answer for A plus B. And this is just the A, and this is just the B. This is when we add both. This is the answer. So now 3 plus, this is where we are right now. I got lost. So yeah, 1 plus 3, right? We got 4. And then -2 plus 0. -2 plus 0. We got -2. So adding A plus B for a matrices is equal. This is the final answer. 2, 3, 5 for first column, -1, -3, and 0, and 5, 4, -2. This is the final answer. Just